Yesterday, Rush Limbaugh told the world of his lung cancer diagnosis. Whether you love him or hate him, it's a diagnosis that changes your life, and it's devastating for a patient and a family to go through lung cancer and treatment and the path ahead. I know this personally because my 25-year-old daughter was diagnosed and died from small cell lung cancer just 2 years ago in 2018. So I wanted to share a little bit about lung cancer with you. First of all, it's really important to know the type and the stage of lung cancer. You cannot make treatment decisions until you know those two things. There are two types of lung cancer. One is small cell lung cancer. The other is non-small cell lung cancer. Small cell lung cancer, under a microscope, looks like a bunch of tiny oats, and they get fluffy. They expand like oatmeal in hot water as they spread throughout the body, and they're in such tiny patterns that it's hard to catch them all with surgery or to kill them all with radiation and chemotherapy. On the other hand, non-small cell lung cancer can be in more solid patterns, which affects your prognosis, your path, your treatment options, because they may be able to be removed more completely with surgery, for example. So knowing the type of lung cancer, non-small cell or small cell, and then also the stage of the lung cancer, how far it has progressed throughout the body, if it has it all, that's called a metastasis. If it has, then you can go in and think about your treatment options. There are surgeries for certain types of limited lung cancer that has not spread yet. Radiation is an option, either targeted radiation or, for instance, whole brain radiation, getting a larger area. There's chemotherapy, but there are different types of chemotherapy depending on your type and stage. There's alternative medicine, and as of 2014, a new medication called an immunotherapy is actually showing promise specifically and particularly for those patients with non-small cell lung cancer. So there's so much to know, and again it goes back to first knowing the type and stage of your cancer before even thinking about treatment options. If you know somebody that's been recently diagnosed with lung cancer, or you're the person who loves them, go online at lynnsherwood.com. You can have my free book, Lung Cancer 101. It was the book that I felt like I needed when my daughter was diagnosed and it wasn't available. So I wrote it with a friend of mine named Jason Cohen. You can have it for free as a PDF or with an e-reader. So again, lynnsherwood.com, get your free book. Email me also if you have any questions, concerns, want more general information about lung cancer. I've got lots of information about resources that might be able to help you too.